This is dubious code, and we're looking at Project Euler number 4 in Python. So a palindromic number reads the same both ways. The largest palindrome made from a product of 2-digit primes is 9009. And it's a palindrome because it's 9009 forwards and then 9009 backwards. And that's the product of these two numbers. That's 2-digit numbers, and we need to find the product of 3-digit numbers. This is fun. This is the first time we've done string stuff, so this is going to be pretty easily solved with just a string reverse. So I think we can, I think what we're going to do is multiply all 3-digit numbers together, see if they are palindromes, and see if they're bigger. If they are bigger than the largest. So let's see. So 3-digit numbers is basically up to 1,000. So 1,000 times 1,000 is 1,000,000. And I think my computer can handle running 1,000,000 of something. So for I in range 100 to 1,000, that will only go up to 999. For j in range 100 to 1,000, largest equals 0. Product equals I times j. We'll call it string 1 equals the string of the product. We'll get the string as a string. And if string 1 equals string 1 dot, let's see, what's string reverse? I think it's just dot reverse, but it might be reverse. Slice the string, print the string, string reverse. Okay, so it's a slice, -1. Okay, so it's a slice. Equals string 1. So this is a slice of the string, but now we're going in backwards order. If they're equal, string reverse. Then if product greater than largest, find the largest palindrome. So I don't need to keep the numbers, just the palindrome. Largest. Then largest equals product. And print largest is largest. All right, so that theoretically will work, but let us actually check it for 2-digit numbers. So we expect this answer, if I change it 2 digits, we expect this answer to be 9009. So what is this? Euler 4. Euler 4.pi. Largest is 9009. That's 2-digit numbers. So let's try 3-digit numbers, and it should work, assuming it runs in a reasonable amount of time. So 3-digit numbers will be 100 times slower, I think, 10 times 10. But it ran fast, and it is a palindrome, so that's good. So the question is it the largest? 906609. And we'll let Project Euler tell us that. 906609, and we'll do the confirmation code. I don't know. I didn't say yes or no. Confirm. Problem 4. Let's try it again. Is it right? What happened here? Did it sign me out? Okay, it signed me out. 1 second. Logging in. All right, we go to project 4. And our answer was 906, 609. 83889. Okay, so that's right. This was fun. We string reverse. I haven't done that in a little while, so this is Dubious Code. Thanks for watching.